Very, very quickly. And the first one we look at is the Sowetan. Okay, 5 more kids burned to death. That's what they're saying. Fires in Alex, Cape Town and the West Rand brings the tally to 9 in just 2 days. So this story is one that is really upsetting me and I think the rest of South Africans as well. Of course, a picture. I mean, this was no surprise. A picture of a guy smoking a joint on the front page of the Sowetan. A member of the Rastafarian community smoking a joint during celebrations at the Constitutional Court in Johannesburg on Tuesday after the court ruled that the personal use of dagga is not a criminal offence. Okay, so there you go. That's the front page of the Sowetan. And let's move on to the Sowetan. Oh, once again, that famous plant on the cover of the Sowetan. Dagga on my stoep. Scenes of jubilation with people lighting up marked the Constitutional Court's ruling legalizing the private use and growing of cannabis, but some red flagged its side effects. Yeah, indeed, we must be vigilant of the side effects. And I think we need to pick this one up and talk about the pros and cons of all of this. So, yeah, Limpopo schoolgirls pregnancy shock. A total of 803 pregnancies were reported in Limpopo in 2016, with some girls as young as 10 being pregnant. Okay, you'll get details of that and more in The Citizen this morning. Business Day, court hands Gordhan a win in the Transnet case. Application by the SOE's former board member Seth Radebe to be reinstated is dismissed. So that's the story that they're leading with. And then, of course, they've also got a big picture there of high time is what they say. Marijuana lobbyists celebrate inside the Constitutional Court in Johannesburg on Tuesday after the court opened the gates for adult South Africans to legally grow and use cannabis privately. And then finally, Comair keeps flying high, marks 72 years of profit, while state-owned carrier SAA is hoping for a 21.4 billion bailout from taxpayers. Comair, which operates the SA brand the BA brand in SA, has delivered an unbroken 72-year profit record. Details there. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, that's the end of our newspapers for now. That's all we've got. And you can get your copy wherever you prefer. Okay, let's now get a weather.